In this chapter, we'll be examining systems of linear equations in two variables. Determine which ordered pair is a solution to the system of equations. 3, -1, 1, 2, and then we have our two equations, 3x plus 2y equals 7 and 2x minus y equals 0. So to determine whether this ordered pair is a solution, we need to substitute 3 in for x and -1 in for y. So that would give us 3 times 3 plus 2 times -1, and we want to know, does that equal 7? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus, or 2 times -1 is -2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So that checks. Well, what about in this equation? We would write, again, the 3 gets in for x, the -1 for y. So we would have 2 times 3 minus a -1. Does that equal 0? 2 times 3 is 6. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive, so 6 plus 1, does that equal 0? Answer is no. So we know that 3, -1 is not a solution. Let me erase that so that we can now do the same with 1, 2. 1 for x, 3 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Does that equal 7? And of course, 3 plus 4 equals 7. It checks. Now substitute in 1 for x and 2 for y. 2 times 1 minus 2 equals 0, because 2 minus 2 is 0. And therefore, 1, 2 is a solution.